We're going to Cebu. We're going to Cebu. 1:30 pa yung boarding namin. So, kakain muna kami ng lunch. Ano kaya kakainin natin? The lips. Sure. What's up, man? I hate you. Bored na kami. I'm gonna ride here. Wow! Smile! Wow! Watch your step.
Grab this strong girl.
Also, where did you put my shades? Daya, hindi ako window seat. Phone case. Wait, pangit ko dyan. Which one's better? This one or mine? Mine is cute. Look. Touchdown Cebu. So, meron kami free shuttle papunta sa hotel.
Alive.
We have arrived.
We have alive.
Say it properly. Go. 1, 2, 3, go.
We are alive.
We're already here sa hotel, but we're gonna check in first. Let me tour you dito sa lobby area. There you go. Ayan pa yung mga kapatid ko kasi andyan pa yung baggage namin. Hello! Hotel view. Hello. No.
I'll close the door just a little bit.
Hello.
This is private, you know, sir.
What do you mean private?
This is
The window's
private.
literally open.
I'm dancing in the moonlight.
That's bad. Ooh. Oh my god.
Hello.
Hello.
Black man, whoa.
Kain na tayo.
Pagkain na tayo.
Here's the pool area. Ayan, ang ganda, girl. Tapos, ayan yun yung parang dagat-dagat. Yung elevator sa Ghost. Kami sa may mall, yung kadugtong ng mall ng sinestayan namin ng hotel. So, dito na kami kakain. Hanap lang kami kung saan kami pwede mag-dinner. we're back at our room. Kaya ngayon, we'll do a hotel tour. Okay guys, may mga pangit doon. So guys, habang hindi pa ganun kagulo yung kwarto namin, magtutour na tayo. Ito yung pinto. First is our door. When you enter first, dito muna tayo. This pwede siyang closet, pero masyado kami maraming damit. So, yung nilagay lang namin dyan is mga slippers and shoes. Sa slide din siya, para kung ayaw nyo nang makalat, close nyo lang. Oh, yun ako. Hey! So, here yung closet, and then on this side naman is yung bathroom or yung CR. So, when you enter, it looks like this. Ang ganda ng design niya, guys. When you enter, andyan na agad yung bathtub. And then, of course, ayan, shower area and yung toilet. And then, ayan, we have a big mirror here. Perfect siya when I do contents and kapag nag-feature tayo ng products. So, and then, of course, ayan yung shower area. Malamang dito kami maliligo. And then, ito, ang cute kasi, pwede mo, paano ba to? Kasi ito pwede mo siya itaas. So, ayan. So, kung gusto mo, mayroon kang viewers habang naligo ka. Kung gusto mo, may view habang naligo ka. Buksan mo to. Tapos kita ka ng pamilya mo. Ayan yung sinasabi ko na view from the bathtub. So, pwede mo yan i-open if you like that vibe. Charot. The outside, ganyan yung itsura niya. That's my brother. Hello. Naman tayo sa side na to. Diyan, meron mga coffee. And ito yung take-out naming food kanina. This, dinala ko pa to from Manila. Ito yung favorite kong crinkles. And then, ayan, menu, of course. And then, ayan, the usual hotel gamit. May mga coffee and mini fridge over here. And then there, we have yung TV and etong maliit na...
The TV that's Japanese.
Japanese. Ito maliit na, I don't know. Parang siyang upuan. Pero this is where we put yung mga luggages namin and mga stuff. And here's our bed. Ba! Yan. This is our bed. Yeah, this is our bed. And then we have 2 side tables. And then, ayan. Maliit lang naman siya, guys. And then ito. Meron din dyang sofa and table. So, kapag mag-order ka food, ayan. You can stay here. Or kagaya niya, nagda-drawing siya. And last, ito yung cute part, parang work area. So, ayan, may mga saksakan din dyan and plugs. And, ayun lang, that's it. Yung view from this room, papakita ko na lang siya tomorrow morning kasi mas maganda siya bukas. Ano ba yan? I do not know! So, ayun lang guys, that's it for this tour. And then, please get ready with me to go to bed. Super love ko to, as in holy grail ko siya kasi ang laking help niya with my dark spots and post-acne marks. So talagang trusted brand ko na to when it comes to serum. I'm sorry guys kasi I'm doing 2 videos, so as you can see, ayan, I'm filming also here for my TikTok. Mostly doon ako nakatingin, So, kung mapapansin nyo guys, puro Kiehl's yung dala ko. Or halos lahat ng dala kong skincare for this trip is puro Kiehl's. Kasi ito yung meron akong perfect for travel size. Like, as you can see, this one, super liit lang niya. So, hindi siya mahirap dalhin. So, ayan lahat ng dala kong skincare. O, diba? Ang liliit lang nila. Like, using this one. Ito yung bagong release ng Vice Cosmetics. So, ito yung bagong release ng Vice Cosmetics. This is their Sunwear na lip balm. Sunwear Fresh Dew Lip Balm in the shade 5. Super nagustuhan ko kasi yung shade na to. So as you can see, very sheer lang siya and very natural lang yung itsura niya sa lips. So that's it muna guys for today. I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Good morning. Good morning. Alam nyo, pag breakfast buffet, babangon talaga ako. Hindi nyo ako mapapabangon ng gabi sa bahay namin. You have 2 different kinds of egg, bro.
Okay, hush it.
Did you get your apples?
I
Show it here. Wow.
These already washed.
Oh. Hello.
No, I'm not.
We're gonna swim. Grabe, here's our view from the pool.
Hello.
And then here's the pool area. Ayan. Hello.
Hello.
We are going to swim. What are you doing? That's our hotel right over there. Guys, so we're preparing kasi magtutour kami dito sa private villa here sa hotel. We will go down at exactly 12 noon and time is 11:30. Smell.
By the cinema. We can do whatever we want in the cinema.
How's your cinema? See you. Let's go na, Lonza. Down na.